Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock CDSL. So the stock is very good for long term and it gave a breakout from a parallel channel. So it's good to go long in the stock right now. The stock is very good and it's currently in a retracement. So one can take positions at current market price. So now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. Before analyzing a stock, we should understand the stock's movement. The stock was on the price range of 265 on listing and it was on the same range till 2020, and there the stock started skyrocketing. So we know that CDSL is main player in depository, so every dreamer transactions will come under CDSL and NSDL. So it's a good company, but before investing in this company we should understand there is a threat for this company, because these days retail participants are actively involving in share markets. So companies like CDSL and BSE are shooting up like anything. Usually in bear market no one will enter market, so we can expect a huge loss in these companies balance sheets. So one should understand this before investing in these companies. So by technical, the stock is very good and gave a breakout from a long term range, so it's good to go long in the stock. So let me draw the major supply and demand zones for the stock. So this was a major supply zone which was followed since 2017, and now the stock, after a good range of underperformance, started moving higher and it's skyrocketing like anything. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So in the weekly chart, let me draw a pattern so that we can understand it very easily. So the stock was on a good channel pattern and it gave good returns. It's a normal decent return. Once the stock gave a breakout from that channel, it started moving higher. Now after the breakout, the stock was once again followed the same pattern. It's similar to a channel pattern, gave a breakout from a channel. So now the stock is currently in the retracement. Actually, the stock is very good and the financials of the company is also very good. It's a government owned company, so it's good to go long in the stock, and the stock is at the retracement. The stock, before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In the Telegram group, you can ask your doubts regarding share market and you can also discuss about any stock at any time. So in the daily chart, the stock was on a range since March 2021 and the range was broken recently on 13 July. So it's a good stock to go long, and the stock is currently near the resistance level. So let me adjust the trend line so that we can get more precise view. So this is the line which we can consider. So this is the line we can consider. So the stock is already in the support level. So once the support level was breached, then we can expect the stock to trade within the trend line. But it's not possible, I think so, because the stock is very bullish. Look at the candle on breakout. It was very huge candle. So after every breakout, the stock will give a fantastic return. So this time it's same. The stock should move higher than the price range of 1400 to give a fantastic opportunity. So it's a wedge pattern. So in lower time frames we can get a pattern more accurate. So this trend line breakout can trigger the up move in the stock, and the stock has good business, so one can invest in this stock, but it's a kind of cyclic stock, so be cautious before investing in these stocks. So take entry above the price range of 1400, and one can expect the price range of 1570 as a first target. And let me use Fibonacci extension tool to analyze the price target in the stock. So the price range of 1600 could be a entry as a conservative trader. So taking entry at price range of 1430 or 50, 1450 is for aggressive traders, and one can take 1550 as the target, and for conservative traders 1600 can be taken as the entry for the stock, and 1900 can be taken as the first target in the stock. So this is very good stock to go long. So focus when the price range of 1400 is crossed. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.